Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a question. The sum of three consecutive odd integers is 27. How do you find the numbers? Right? So suppose we have any three consecutive odd numbers, let's say 1, 3 and 5. These are any three consecutive odd integer. Let's say 1, we denote 1 or 1 by x. So we can write 3 in terms of x, x plus 2, and we can write 5, x plus 4. Okay, the difference between these two is 2, and the difference between the 1 and 5 is 4. Okay, so these are generalized term for any odd integer which are consecutive in order, right? So our first integer is x, second integer x plus 2, and third integer is x plus 4. Now the second condition is their sum is 27. So sum is 27. Sum means add these three numbers, x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 27. Now simplify it. X plus x we will get 3x. 2 plus 4 we will get 6. Now shift 6 to the right side, it will become negative 6. Now 3x is equal to 27 minus 6, we will get 21. Now divide both sides by 3. 3 will cancel with 3, x will remain, and 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. So the value of x is 7, and x was our first integer, right? Our first odd integer. Now we can say that first odd integer is 7. Now second odd integer will be x plus 2, and the value of x is 7, so 7 plus 2 9. And third integer x plus 4 means 7 plus 4, which is equal to 11. Now to cross check your answer, add these three numbers 7, 9 and 11. 7, 9 and 11. 11 plus 9 20, 20 plus 7 27. So we get this same number which is given in the question. So our answers are right. Thank you for watching my video. Please like this video, also subscribe my channel and share this with your friends. Thank you. See you in next video. Thank you.